Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I am going to do the unboxing for Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus, and I am also going to do the unboxing for the book cover keyboard for Tab S9 Plus. So let's start. So I will open it from back side, and here is the seal. So I will open it. So I will just remove it like this, and then from here as well. Now I will open it. So this is how it looks like inside the cover. Now I will take it out from the box. So this is how it looks like, and this is how it looks like inside the cover from the back side. Now I will take out the S Pen. So here is the white color S Pen, and then here you see this surface is flat, and here you see this Samsung branding, and then you see the nib is also white color, and here we have this S Pen button. Then we have this USB type C cable inside this box. Then we have this SIM ejector tool, and inside this box we have the user manual. Now I will open this cover. Now I will take out the tablet. So here is our tablet. So you can see it's a beige color Tab S9 Plus with dual camera system at the back side. So this is how it looks like. So here we have this area for the S Pen. So now I can attach my S Pen magnetically like that. You can also attach it to the other side. It will attach magnetically like that. You can also attach your pen here at top, and this is how it looks like from the front. So in front we have single camera. So this is how it looks like. So I will turn it on. So on top side we have two speakers and one mic, and then on bottom we also have another two speakers. And then here we have our buttons for the volume and power button, and then here we have two mics, and we also have this SD card slot. And on the other side we have this keyboard attachment part. So here you can see, so here you can attach your keyboard. Now I will remove this sticker from here, and then here at bottom we have this sound by AKG. So here you can see, and then we have this Samsung logo here. Now I will do the unboxing for book cover keyboard for Galaxy Tab S9 Plus. So I will open it from here, and now I will take it out. So here is our book cover keyboard for Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus. So I will take it out from the cover. I will open the cover, and now I will take it out. So this is the cover for Tab S9 Plus. So here is the back side. So this is how it looks like. So this area is for S Pen. As you can see, we have special place for S Pen. So it's a two-part book cover keyboard. So here you can see this is the back part, and then here we have our keyboard. So here is the keyboard. So you can see the keys, and we also have the trackpad. Now I will attach this back part to my tablet. So I will just put it here like this, and you can see it will attach magnetically. So this is how it looks like. Now here I can insert my pen for charging, and I can close it. So this is how it looks like. So even if you want to take it out, you just take it out like this, and you can remove your S Pen. At this side of this back cover we have this kickstand. So I can take it out like this. So you can see this is the kickstand, and you can move it to any position, and then you can put your tablet like that. So this is how it looks like. Now I will attach my tablet with the keyboard. So I will just attach it like this. Now I can open the keyboard. So the keyboard has all necessary keys. You can use this trackpad as well if you want to open the app menu, you want to swipe right, left, so you can use all these keys and this trackpad as well. If I close the keyboard, so at the back side everything is covered by this keyboard, but here this side is open but the edges are little out. So even if you put your tablet like this, it is safe. And then on this side where we have our buttons, so this side is also open but the edges are little out like that. And then on this side as well, the side is open, so at the back side is fully covered. So this is how it looks like inside the book cover keyboard. So guys, the tablet is 12.4-inch display with 13 megapixel and 8 megapixel rear camera, and the S Pen and tablet both are IP68 water and dust proof. The tablet is Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset. So you can see everything is going very smooth and fast. The front camera is 12 megapixel and you can use your S Pen to take pictures. So you can use it as remote control. So for example, I will press and hold it like this. It will turn on the camera. You can also flip to the front camera by just doing this gesture, and then here you can take the picture by just pressing this button. So here you can see I can take the picture. Then if you want, you can also record video by just moving like this in the air. And then if you want to record video, you can again press this S Pen button like this and it will start recording. You can use this tablet for multitasking. For example, if you want to take notes, you can use your S Pen. Then you can open another app in the split screen like this. If you want to share some information, for example, I want this picture and I want to put here in my notes, I can do it as well. And then if you want, you can also open another app in here in split screen. You can also rotate apps as well. So here you can see, you can easily rotate them. If you want, you can also resize them, so you can change their size. If you want, you can also make your favorite app combination. Just select from here, select the star icon, it will add to your taskbar. The next thing that I want to mention here is you will get 120 Hz refresh rate, or you can switch to standard 60 Hz refresh rate. So you will have both options available. So guys, this tablet has a dynamic AMOLED 2X display. Now I will try gaming on it. So here you can see, so everything is going smooth. And here you can see I am trying to play the game. So guys, this is for today's video. I hope you liked the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.